What's up, y'all? So I am Tika, and in today's video I actually want to share with y'all this unit that I recently just purchased from SoGoodBB.com. And this is actually a Bobbi Boss brand unit, and the style that I have on my head today is a style MLF379 Gardenia. And pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what this wig look like, what this wig is actually going to look like whenever you get this wig, and what to expect whenever you get this wig, as well as I'll actually be showing you guys how I style this wig and you know, what to expect whenever you are about to style this wig. This is some type of video or content that you can kick it with. Give this video a like. I want to get this video to 100 likes so many other women can actually see this video, and also so this video can get recommended to many more women. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and stop all this yapping and talking, and I'm going to go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so how did you like the video? I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my thoughts and my opinions on how I feel about this wig. This unit does come with your baby hair, and it does have a 5-inch lace part. Also have ear-to-ear lace. The color that I'm wearing today is the color 99J, and this is a style MLF379 Gardenia. And you can most definitely add some heat onto this wig, and this wig can be, you know, maneuvered, and you can wear it in a center part, or you can wear it today like I did, and you can wear it as a left side part. Or I didn't really switch it and turn around and see how a right side part is gonna look, but I'm sure it'll look cute. I'm not gonna show you that right now. I want to mess this wig up because I got somewhere to go. I gotta pick up my kids in a little bit, so I'm not being mean about it. I'm just letting you know that I'm not gonna do that because I got somewhere to be, and I want to mess my hair up before I get there. This wig is most definitely big head friendly, and I have a small peanut head. This wig is a little bit big on my head, but you know, for the most part it still fit comfortably. Whenever I start styling this wig, I had a lot of issues. This wig is affordable, but I did have some issues with this wig. Don't get me wrong, this wig is very, very cute. I really like the wig color, and I really like the texture of this wig, but this wig got some problems going on. I really do like the bang on this wig. I really love the bang on this wig, but the wave pattern is going different types of ways here and there, and I don't really know, you know, what's that about. So that's the only issue I have with this wig. So if you look right here, like, I don't know what we got going on here, but this is what needs to happen here. what needs to happen here is that you know, it needs to be a lot more feathered out. It just seems like this curl pattern isn't really going with what they got going on up here. I really want to love this wig, and I like this wig for the most part, but this wig needs some work. It's like you got waves going left and you got waves going right. I don't know why, but that's what's going on here. Don't even get me started on the styling part, y'all. You are gonna have to pluck your lace part up here just a little bit. Don't like overdo it or anything like that. Just pluck a little bit. You're gonna have to do that. You're gonna have to cut, you know, some layers into the bang or whatever. Yeah, there was like some type of humpage like up here, and you could probably see it whenever I was styling the wig in the beginning of the video, but there was like some type of humpage going on, and I don't really know why. I felt like that was like the hardest thing that you are gonna have to deal with whenever you get this wig. You're gonna have to get some type of, I don't even know, but you are pretty much are gonna have to lay this wig down like where this humpage is, and it's not all around the whole wig, y'all. It's just in the front of the wig. It's just so like humpity, y'all. I don't know why it's like that. That's the thing that I had the most problems with, was actually laying that down. And I did use my hair straightening comb and kind of did that a little bit, but I still feel like there's a little bit of a situation going on, and I don't know why. Now don't get me wrong, the bang is kicking and it's popping, just some stuff ain't making no sense. Like, it ain't making no sense here, and I don't even know why. If you don't know how to lay that humpage down, then don't buy this wig, because you're gonna hate it all day, girl. You just gonna be trying to lay that hump down. I like it, but I want to like it more. If this was a little bit, you know, a little bit of swoop-diddy swoop here, then it'll be fine. But for the most part, it ain't. So I don't know what more to tell y'all, but this is my personal opinion. Now I'm just here to show you the wig, and I give you a little bit of some styling, but I don't really know if you're gonna buy it or not. I will be starting my first wig sale, y'all. So if y'all are interested in that wig sale, I will actually be doing a video on that. I gotta make sure Bernice over there is gonna work with me or whatever, but my husband gave me that name for her. Her name is Bernice. So y'all, I'm really excited about this. I'm really scared, but I'm really excited though at the same time, because I don't really know how this is gonna go. And I decided I would go ahead and kind of sell my wigs on there. So be on the lookout for my wig sale that I will be having very soon. I will have a mixture of color wigs, and I'll also have some 1B wigs, and I'll probably throw this wig up on there too. It would be very grateful and appreciated if you went to my recent video where I did a combination of lip combinations for women of color. So if you are into that, and if you want to know more about my lip combinations, and check that video out, I will be sure to leave a link in the description box below for you guys. Also, I did do a video on my top 5 wig companies that I enjoy shopping with. I will leave the link to that video as well in the description box, if that's a video that, you know, you can kick it with, and that's a video that will be helpful to you. And if you guys have any type of ideas that, or anything that you want to know about, or you got any type of questions, leave those questions in the comment section below. I hope y'all all drinking all y'all water, and I hope that y'all are getting all y'all vitamin D in, and get as much sun as y'all possibly can, y'all, because good for your spirit and that's good for your soul. Y'all stay safe out there. Hope to see you in the next video. Like this video, share this video with your family and your friends. Peace, y'all. I see y'all in the next video. Got to go. I got to get up out of here, and peace.